Machine learning enables machines to learn on their own, without being instructed by someone on every single step. Rather than writing a program step by step, you give the computer lots of examples, referred to as data, and it figures out the rules for itself. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is a big concept. It is making computers act like human beings, like thinking, learning, or reasoning. When a computer is doing something intelligent, like recognizing speech or a game, that is AI. Machine learning, ML. ML is a branch of AI. It's where we teach computers using data. Instead of teaching the computer step by step what to do, we teach it a lot of information, and it learns from the data to be able to make decisions on its own. Deep learning. Deep learning is still a smaller part of ML. It makes use of particular software called neural networks, which work in some ways much like our brains. These networks can enable computers to understand complex things such as images, words, and language better than regular ML. Learning. Supervised and unsupervised learning. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning is when a computer is taught by examples that both contain the question and the answer. It is like learning from a teacher who provides you with the problems but also shows you the correct answers. What is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning. In this, we provide the computer with lots of data but don't tell the computer what the right answer is. The computer learns to identify patterns, similarities, or groups in the data. What is reinforcement learning? Think of it as experimentation and trial and error, the same by which we learn new things by trying, failing, and getting better. Here's how it works. The machine takes action. If the action is right, it gets a reward point. If the action is wrong, it is assigned a penalty point. The machine learns through experience what is good and what is bad and tries to do better and better. Conclusion. Machine learning allows computers to learn from information and improve themselves automatically over time without being explicitly instructed. It involves techniques like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning drives most of the smart devices that simplify our day-to-day lives.